When people talk about Britain's future energy infrastructure and security, nuclear always comes up. But what doesn't get talked about nearly enough is this: the nuclear sector needs people. That isn't in the future, that's now and for at least the next decade. The nuclear industry expects to need up to 40,000 new people by 2030 to deliver and maintain the projects already planned. That's not aspiration, that's what's required if the country is serious about long-term energy and infrastructure. The nuclear industry is growing rapidly and the traditional ways of developing people need to move faster. What we're really facing is a large-scale skills and experience challenge. The nuclear sector doesn't just need scientists, it needs people who already understand how complex, regulated work actually gets delivered. And that's where the challenge and the opportunity really sits. That's why Destination Nuclear exists. It's the UK's first sector-wide national recruitment programme for nuclear, launched to bring together roles from across the industry in one place. Not one company, not one site, a single gateway showing real live nuclear jobs across multiple employers and how existing skills transfer into the sector. So if you're currently working in a trade or a technical role, this is where it gets interesting. Electricians already have the foundations for electrical and instrumentation roles, maintaining systems, fault finding and working to strict standards. Plumbers and heating engineers bring mechanical, pipework systems and safety experience that transfers directly into plant, maintenance and mechanical roles. People with site experience, supervisors, charge hands, project leads, move into delivery, quality inspection and assurance roles. This isn't about starting again. It's about doing the same level of work with the same responsibility in a sector that plans decades ahead. Nuclear actively needs experienced people. Judgment matters, process matters, and knowing what to do when things don't quite work out also matters. That's why mid-career professionals fit this sector so well. You're not being asked to relearn how to work, you're being asked to apply what you already know in a more structured, long-term environment. There are three big reasons people are looking at nuclear right now. First, scale and stability. These are long-term national projects, not short-term contracts. Second, training and development. Skills are built on, not discarded. And third, working environments. Planned work, clear systems, safety and process taken seriously. And for a lot of people, mid-career, that combination matters more than anything else. When you look at the roles listed on Destination Nuclear, it's clear who they're for. Experienced electricians, mechanical and maintenance professionals, quality inspection and delivery roles, engineering, project and operational support. These are serious jobs across the country with real employers, not abstract career ideas. Now, a lot of people hesitate to switch career because they think it means going backwards. In nuclear, experience is the asset. The sector needs people who already understand responsibility, compliance and consequences. That's why Destination Nuclear focuses on transferability, not retraining from scratch.
If you're mid-career and you're thinking about what comes next, not because you're fed up, but just because you want some security and longevity, then Destination Nuclear is definitely the place to look.
It's the central platform for exploring real nuclear jobs across the UK, based on the skills you already have. Not to make a snap decision, not to apply today, but to see what's possible in a sector that's planning for the long term. Follow the link in the description to find out more about Destination Nuclear.